Hi there, this is the beautiful green orchard of Nani city, and you see there are a lot of trees, and surrounded by trees there is a open area where you can see some dozens of peacock. They are really searching some food for their fuel and energy so that they can survive whole night. You can see them if you watch clearly. It's a beautiful scene here all around. All around is beauty here. You can see the sunset. There is going to be darkness in a very short time. But before the night falls, I want to show you the beautiful sunset. The sun is setting in the west. The sky is twilight. Darkness has started falling. And that reminds me very interesting. Death closes all, but something before the end. Some work of noble note may be done. Not unbecoming man who strove with God. The light begin to twinkle from the stones. The long day when the slow moon climbs. The long day when the slow moon climbs and deep moans with many voices. Dear friend, let's catch the lark before the sunshine. We have very limited time in our life. It's very precious life. Waste not. Alert. We cannot see this beautiful planet Earth. So be very kind and compassionate. Learn to live in perfect harmony with nature. Love every bird, every beast, every animal, every creature just as your own soul. Atma sarvbhutesu. That's the philosophy and creed of this great philosopher, Yogi Virendra Yogi, who always claimed himself born James Bond. We have to live bravely, smartly. And ultimate wisdom is kindness and compassion and love. And a very peaceful, harmonious relationship with every creature on this planet Earth. We are all visitors. But the egotism and the bestial attitude of the mankind, they are destroying everything. They are destroying even humans. Coronavirus, the baby of Chinese president. Hundreds and thousands of our sisters and brothers are dying. Learn lessons. Be kind, be compassionate. Kill your ego, greed, anger, hatred and cynical thoughts. And then you have to say one day bye-bye. Life is too short to really cumbered in nonsense activities except loving everyone, caring for everyone, sharing everyone, joy and pleasure. And this is your friend, Yogi Virendra Yogi, with too deep a love for every creature. Thank you very much. Thank you. Salute you.